So hi students, let's find out more about how to solve table and flowchart completion questions in IELTS academic reading. Many students are afraid to solve table completion and flowchart completion questions of IELTS reading exam. They seem harder, but your correct strategy and techniques will help you to do well in the exam. In this type of question, a table of information will be given with some gaps in it. You will need to fill the gap with appropriate answers from the given reading passage. You can take a look at the table here. It has the number labeling 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's how it goes. You may also find a flow chart where the process of completing the chart will be the same as the table. Again, you can take a look at the arrows. So the first point moving on to the second point, and that's how a flow chart looks like. So focus on the instructions because here you will be asked to fill the gaps with only a few words. Read them carefully. Some of the options might confuse you. Example, not more than 3 words. So if you write more or fewer words than mentioned in the question, then your answer will be marked incorrect despite if you give the right answer. Now let's take a look at some tips to solve these questions. The first is apply a step-by-step strategy to simplify the questions of table and flowchart completion. Don't panic in the exam room if you find it unfamiliar. Try to solve the questions with the step-by-step strategy. Continue your IELTS reading preparation to overcome the challenge. The order of getting questions might be different from the information given in the reading passage. Don't use synonyms in your answer. Fill the gaps with the right words or it'll be marked as incorrect. Identify the type of word which is missing in your answer. For example, a noun, a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. It will be easy for you to trace the perfect word for your answer. Keep busy your mind to find the synonyms in paraphrasing sentences. Look for the matching meaning rather than finding for the exact word in the table or text. Find the location first to identify and then read the passage in detail to find the answer. The completed sentence must be grammatically correct. Check before you submit to save your IELTS scores. Use the little cues that you will find the passage and the questions. If you don't understand any vocabulary, try to find the answer from the context and other clues. Okay, so moving on to the strategy. Let's see what the step 7 strategies talks about to boost your confidence. So the step 1 is read all the instructions carefully. A small mistake can cost you a lot. So be careful about the required words to fill the gaps. Step 2, understand the layout of the table and the flowchart to know the subject and the content. Step 3, quickly read through the passage and questions to get an idea of what information you need to fill the gaps. Step 4, go through all the paragraphs and write keywords or ideas beside each paragraph to find the information later. Step 5, go to the questions and select the best keyword and now try to see them in the passage. Here, the step 4 strategy will help you to find the correct answer. Step 6, remember that you will also find some of the synonym words and paraphrasing sentences. Don't forget to check the word limit and your answer is making sense. Write down your answer in the answer sheet and repeat the process to find the remaining answers. So I hope this was effective. So thank you for watching my video. Keep watching more IELTS reading videos and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.